Arca Continental is the second largest Coca-Cola bottling company in Latin America and one of the most important of the world. We operate in the US, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, and Argentina. As you can imagine, having 45 manufacturing sites around these 5 different countries involve having also different maturities in terms of technology and data management. There's a lot of people to be impacted in terms of the implementation of digital transformation use cases. So understanding the impact we have on humans that are still part of this loop, it's pretty important. So we try to have one excellence center in terms of digital transformation in at least one manufacturing site of each country where we operate. That allows more people to be involved and have like a local, geographically located example, so you can just go and experience what we mean with digital transformation.